Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am going to explain today important functional groups and oxidation levels in organic chemistry. I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. So let us start important functional groups and oxidation level. So first of all, I will talk zero bond to heteroatom. What is meaning of zero bond to the heteroatom? This carbon is not attached with any heteroatom. Look at here. This carbon, 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 carbon. So zero bonds to heteroatoms. Alkane oxidation level. Next, one bond to heteroatom. Look at this carbon, one heteroatom. 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 So this carbon attached to one heteroatom. One bond to heteroatom. Alcohol oxidation level. So alcohols, ethers, amines, alkyl halides. I repeat, one bond to heteroatom. What does it mean? It means the carbon attached with oxygen. Here also this carbon and this carbon attached with the oxygen. This carbon attached to nitrogen. This carbon attached to chlorine. This carbon attached to bromine. This carbon attached to iodine. And this carbon attached to carbon. You see? So this is difference up to here. Now two bonds to heteroatoms. Two bonds to heteroatoms. Aldehyde oxidation level. Look at this carbon attached with this oxygen through two bonds. This carbon attached to this oxygen through two bonds. This carbon attached to oxygen with two bonds. Here single, here single. This is acetals. We call it acetals. This is ketones and this is aldehydes. These two are common. Acetals is important. In acetals, two bonds, two heteroatoms, but separately. This carbon and this carbon attach with the oxygens. Now, this is here, but this is not heteroatom. Three bonds to heteroatoms. Carboxylic acid oxidation level. Look at this carbon attached to two double bond with oxygen and single bond with oxygen. So 2 plus 1, 3. Here also 3 bonds to heteroatom, 3 bonds to heteroatom, 3 bonds to heteroatom, 3 bonds to heteroatom. So this is carboxylic acid, this is esters, this is amides, this is nitriles, this is acyl chlorides. So I repeat, 3 bonds to heteroatoms, carboxylic acid, oxidation level. Carboxylic acid, esters, amides, nitriles, acyl chlorides. Carbon attached with oxygen through double bond, carbon attached with oxygen through single bond. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Carbon attached to oxygen with double bond, carbon attached with oxygen single bond, esters. Carbon attached with double bond with oxygen, carbon attached with nitrogens, amide, single bond. Carbon attached to nitrogen through triple bonds. Carbon attached to oxygens with double bond, and this carbon attached to Cl with single bond. This is acyl chlorides. Now, 4 bonds to heteroatoms. Carbon dioxide oxidation level. Look at this molecule: carbon dioxide, diethyl carbonate, and chlorofluorocarbon 12, 1, 2. Here carbon attached with oxygen this side with 2 bond, and carbon attached with oxygen through this side double bond. So total 4 bonds to heteroatoms. Here this carbon attached with oxygen with 2 bond, and this carbon attached with oxygen, and this carbon attached with oxygen. This is diethyl carbonate. So 2 and 2, 4. This carbon attached with fluorine, this carbon attached to fluorine, this carbon attached with chlorine, this carbon attached to chlorine. So it attached with 2 chlorine and 2 fluorine. So total 4. So 0 bonds to heteroatoms, 1 bond to heteroatom, 2 bonds to heteroatom, 3 bonds to heteroatom, and 4 bonds of heteroatom. So friend, hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.